Did you know that you could be missing out on the full benefits of push-ups because you're not using the right equipment? If you've been doing push-ups the traditional way, but haven't yet tried using a push-up board, you might be leaving results on the table. Many people struggle with push-ups due to wrist pain, poor form, or simply not being able to target the right muscles effectively. This is where a push-up board comes in as a game changer. A push-up board is designed to improve your push-up experience. By guiding your hands into specific positions that activate different muscle groups, it's a tool that can take your push-up routine from basic to exceptional, giving you a safer, more effective workout that targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. If you're wondering how to use a push-up board effectively and why it could revolutionize your push-up game, keep reading. Here's everything you need to know. Why use a push-up board? A traditional push-up can be tough on the wrists, especially if you're just starting out or had any pre-existing wrist issues. Push-up boards are ergonomically designed to relieve that pressure by allowing you to keep your wrists in a more neutral position. This reduces strain and enhances your form, making the exercise more comfortable and effective. Additionally, the board can guide you into different hand placements to focus on various muscles, making your workouts more versatile and efficient. How to use a push-up board. The ultimate step-by-step guide. Step 1. Set up your push-up board. Start by placing the push-up board on the floor. Most boards have color-coded slots for different hand placements. These color-coded zones guide you to target specific muscles. Red targets the chest standard push-up. Blue focuses on the shoulders wide grip. Yellow engages the triceps close grip. Choose your target muscle group depending on the focus of your workout. Step 2. Position your hands. Place your hands on the board according to your desired color zone. Your palms should face down, and your fingers should spread out to ensure better stability. When starting out, place your hands at shoulder width apart for a basic push-up. Step 3. Align your body. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core to prevent your lower back from sagging and your hips from rising. Your feet should be shoulder width apart to maintain balance. Make sure your head is aligned with your spine. Avoid looking up or down to prevent neck strain. If you're looking to take your push-up game to the next level, a push-up board might just be the missing link. It not only optimizes your form, but also offers a more varied, powerful workout. Whether you're aiming for a stronger chest, sculpted shoulders, or toned triceps, this tool can help you. So, why settle for regular push-ups when you can have a full-body challenge with a push-up board? Start incorporating it into your fitness routine and experience the transformation today.